Okay, please give me sugar and Gary.
Sugar and Gary, how much?
150.
Gary is 100 naira. Sugar, 50 naira.
Bring it. Be fast now.
Who they are?
Now we're done.
What? I did not ask for this now.
No, you say.
I did not ask you for Gary. I asked you for a carton of Indomie and sardine. Why are you bringing Gary for me?
Please,
Gary.
Oga, give me Gary and sugar.
Okay, this is. Okay, take my dear.
Give me the carton of Indomie and the carton of sardine.
Bye. Greet your mama. Okay. You say what you want?
I want Gary.
The Gary now, the last one, in that boy carry.
But you told me you had Gary a few minutes ago.
You suddenly change. You want to find boy, give share agua.
Oh yeah, give me apple.
Apple they don't buy and finish.
This one I'm seeing here.
Somebody don't book and finish.
No. But I'm here now. Nobody
they call
booked
for
it here.
phone. Apple my dad that one.
I want pap.
I come home why we born picking for this week. They don't book and finish. No, I come.
Okay, why they do me like this?
Why I not gonna do you like that? Cherry, wait, I'm coming. Hey.
I did not ask for Indomie. I want Gary.
Maybe you talk now and say you want carton of
Why you go
Indomie
pay
and
for
sardine.
the Indomie? I don't get money for this one. Gary or what I want or this one.
Why would they like fake life too much? You see fine boy here now. You can go to Gary where they say we take know you for this treat. Because when you want to find boy, give order for carton of Indomie.
Okay, because me and Chuck and several.
Okay, madam, because they pay him some noise.
I don't want Indomie because no, you're making me angry. Just give me what I want. Let me go from here.
You know the Ungazus in Singapore. Out. If rock order, where we want we share brain and age. Every time you wear a gum, once the gum don't enter from a head like this, nobody will think straight again. You don't see fine boy, you don't know say that one too. Na akakukroro. You man from frying pan to fire because he gallant. Osbi hunya, ano inside legera putire. Bully anagelu, meji sigote, center. You man no one you record again. Or record azro. Piam, carton of Indomie sardine. Ndumbo kwe hangocha idiot. Na so una go take fake life, kill una self. We take era. Idiot of no comparison. La, oh. Our Lord Jesus is our ladder. Mbubere, oh. Onye nwe m Chineke wo mbubere. Ngwa no reba ya o, reba mbu. Oh, Nne, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome. Okay. Take your stuff. Take your thing.
It's not what you think.
No, what did I think? Did I say anything? I only said pick your stuff. I did not say anything. Pick it. Why you go? No, pick it. Pick. Good. You see your life? You see your life as young as you are. No. Look at the kind of thing that normally fell out of you.
It's not.
Look at what fell out of you.
It's not.
Your mates, when you open their bags or their eyes, they are full of sacramental things. If you don't see holy water, you will see olive oil. If you don't see olive oil, you will see mustard seed. If you don't see mustard seed, you will see all part of holy things that defines them or that makes them whom they are, or that they want to use for protection and all the rest of them. But look at it. Ugly things from ugly person like you. So what has this infected you since you've been holding it around? All your Bible, you will let Bible log what happened. Give William Pampra, give me him prago what happened. Give your heart or what happened. And when you keep up we get by here got happen, I go a can job and we can me she be replica. And look at it wearing rosary. Even though I know this one not be rosary. This one is fashion. I'm ashamed of you. No, go on.
I'm sorry.
No, don't be sorry for waiting. You should be sorry for yourself. I'm going to when you get here and pub. When you get so you give Buri and Abajek. And you can't go to my house with this. Out. Turn and get out of this place. Take it off and enter grave. Shameless thing. Give your life to Christ. Give you. And then brother we can them napa. It's only enough. In the morning you can't. You have to get. Come. Get up. Get up now. Hands up.
I'm throwing it away. I'm not with you.
Open your bag. Command. You are mangala ko buruke de show. Eh? Is this oporoko or mangala for food? You thought you throw it. What talking? Don't worry, come on, go. Why I can't see? Useless woman, shameless thing. Some of you women are shameless. Some of you. When I look at the way you people live your life, I keep wondering, did you ever for one day came out from where I come out from? Because if you came out from the same direction, you should be thinking and reasoning like human being. You are not from placenta. And when they call placentum, or a bishop, because you reason through your anus. Why are you weekend? Where do I know? What are you son of that? People no millions on ego dollar nada she gala beke you home mind na bambo mo le wuli ha kelo ta na efejego ko ni hunu no ga efego ogu efe bi efara efrenka damn you.
Festus.
Madam. Hey. You're shining this afternoon. This is how a beautiful woman like you're supposed to shine. Irrespective of what that person is going through. You're supposed to be shining, looking beautiful, looking like a morning star, looking so beautiful. In fact, you're supposed to be shining. Oh, God, you look...
Festus, who gave you the clothes you are putting on?
Madam, nobody. Funny enough, all my clothes dirty. I plan washing this weekend. So after washing, I realized that I don't even get one cloth again to wear. So as I enter that corridor, I see where your clothes heap. I can't put hand there. Collect this one. At least make I cover up my nakedness. Make sure they know it's my egg complete. This egg here is very important to me. Hey. Madam, did you just smile? This is amazing. Good.
I still want you keep a straight face.
So, did you just smile? Oneku, they no look am.
No look at me, keep a straight face.
Festus, what brought
you to my room? So let's go pick up and from smiling and action.
Madam, did you just smile?
Festus, what brought you to my room?
Hey! Hey! Madam, you are too beautiful. Sorry, give me.
I swear your beauty will make me blush.
Blush, yes. A bit of my beauty.
If I were you, I would be shine teeth for the rest of my life.
Who
Who even talk to say beautiful ones?
Beautiful ones, okay, let's go.
When the person comes to the bottom of God's place.
And still rolling. Pick up and action.
Hey! Madam, did you just smile? Ha! Oh, long bone. Madam, you are so beautiful. Ha! This is how. Give it to me, please. Give it to me.
If I were you,
Okay.
I'm going to shine
Continue
teeth.
shining teeth like this.
Okay,
Let's
just
go.
stop now. Pick up and action.
Jesus. Oh, long bone. Madam, you are beautiful. This is how a beautiful woman like you is supposed to be smiling all the time. In fact, you're supposed to be shine teeth every minute of the day, whether good, whether bad, whatever it is. Who can't even talk say beautiful ones are not yet done? Who talk that nonsense? Let them come and see where God finished work. Let them come and see people that God created by the weekend. After he must have rested, Pam, with the head upon mad. Okay, they were molding you.
Festus, I ask again, what brought you here?
What again? My waist.
Madam, sorry. Madam, as you mean, ask this question.
That's it.
You're supposed to smile. Even when you're angry, still they smile, still they shine teeth. I'm talking to you as a brother.
Yes.
Anyways, I can't carry your dirty
Okay,
clothes.
I get it.
Ready, and give me that one.
Proceed for the very last time.
Action.
Festus, for the very last time, what brought you here?
Madam, check am now. Madam, just look at it. As you frown, ask this question, are you good? The first one and the second one, are they the same sound? Do they have the same feeling? Eh? You're not supposed to be angry at all, no matter what is making you angry. You're supposed to be smile from morning till night, smile every minute of the day. Just look at it. It's not good. Anyways, I came to carry your dirty clothes, make I wash.
Thank you.
Why I never wash? You don't think I never wash clothes. If I can't wash clothes now, you got my phone now.
Festus, I have my dry cleaners, so don't bother yourself.
Hi, to you. Battery fast.
Save.
Yes, so save. I'm check out.
We will finish this at the end. We feel going out. Time sitting.
I don't know.
Madam, you are really serious.
Make up.
Unless you now consider as if because when you go to two of them say
All we want to see.
I'm